Hi, we're the team at ModU, and this is RoleplayU, an open source app for playing role-playing games like D&D in VR. The base app has everything you need to start playing, but if you want to customize the game with your own characters, creatures, and features, we have the entire Unity source project available on GitHub. Let's show you the features. We have a fully functioning login and registration system so that you can save info tied to your character. If you're interested in the backend, we're using a MySQL database and Apache web server with PHP code hosted on Amazon EC2. Users have the ability to join a random room, create a private room with a secret name, or join a private room by name. Locomotion is handled by teleportation and snap turning to prevent motion sickness. To reveal your menu, you grab beside your left shoulder as if pulling out a sword. The Select Character feature lets you choose from one of 6 presets, changing your appearance and character stats. Your choice is saved to your user account so that the next time you log in, you'll be the same character. Creating a game build with your own custom character art is easy and covered in our documentation on GitHub. The menu can be repositioned by grabbing it and moving it. On the main menu, the blue buttons can be used by all players, while the yellow buttons only show for the room creator, who we assume is the game master. The Note tool allows you to record information. Both the notepad and keyboard are repositionable, and typing in VR works surprisingly well. Of note, our text field behaves like what we've become accustomed to, with full selectability and pointer placement. You can save your notes so that they'll be there the next time you play, and can also use keyboard shortcuts, like copy-paste, to transfer info from documents on your computer. The Measure tool allows you to measure the distance between 2 points. The Player List feature lists all the players currently in the room, showing their username and selected character class. Currently, up to 6 players can join a room at one time. Clicking on a user shows their character stats. The host can increase or decrease a player's health value, and it will be synced across the network. The Roll tool allows you to make dice rolls. You can choose how many dice, what type of die to roll, and what modifiers you want to add or subtract from the roll. The host also has the option to disable rolling capability for other players. The Abilities button will take you to a list of all the abilities of the chosen player's character. These abilities and the base stats of a character can be modified without opening Unity, allowing you to factor in changes such as leveling up your characters and gaining new abilities. This is accomplished by changing a JSON file, and the documentation for how to do this is located on our GitHub page. The Spawn tool allows you to instantiate models into the scene that all players can see. You can add your own models with Unity by following the documentation on GitHub. Models can be selected and moved in the scene. The Delete tool allows you to delete the selected model. The Teleport Player tool lets you control which players can teleport and has the option to give a player a single teleport before it is disabled again. The Scene tool lets you save the current configuration of models in your scene and load them at a later time or day. The Resize tool lets you resize your selected model. Some models are marked as NPCs with their own stats. For these models, you can look at their stats from the Roll tool page and increase or decrease their health. Other players cannot see this info, so it's a useful tool for the game master to keep these things secretly. The Environment tool lets you change environments. That's the full overview of the features of RoleplayU at release. Check out the GitHub page, link below, and join our Discord to find other players and get help with modding. We hope you enjoy role-playing in VR.